Hello, my favorite people. I hope you are doing good. In this video, we gonna talk about top 5 video editing apps that are gonna make your content creation easier and prettier. Before we begin, if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Here are the top 5 video editing apps. CapCut, a feature-rich mobile video editing app ideal for editing short-form content with a mobile-friendly interface and comprehensive video editing suite. It's perfect for TikTok content creators, offering speed control, frame-by-frame split editing, and music library with audio effects. Viva Video, a mobile video editing app with an elegant and clutter-free UI, suitable for beginners and pros. It offers templates, stock libraries, text effects, transitions, music, and sticker libraries. It's great for simple edits on the go, but has limitations like mobile-only editing and watermark on free videos. Wevideo, a cloud-based video editing solution with real-time collaboration, drag-and-drop editor, and multi-track editing. It's ideal for mid-level video editors, social media teams, and small business owners, offering advanced features like screencasting and motion titles. Veed, a browser-based video editor with a simple and intuitive UI, offering auto-subtitling, drag-and-drop editor, and huge font, filter, and transitions library. It's perfect for beginners and pros, with features like screen recording and teleprompter. Adobe Premiere Rush, a downloadable app with intuitive UI, speed control, and beautiful built-in presets. It's great for first-time video editors and content creators, allowing cross-platform sync and direct social media sharing. These video editing apps cater to different needs and preferences, from mobile-friendly interfaces to advanced features for professionals.